Do you find yourself buried under files and hard-to-manage data? Are you a small business owner looking to streamline your financial reports? Or perhaps a student who wants to organize complex data in a user-friendly format? Welcome to the Google Sheets training. This thorough training will walk you through the intricacies of Google Sheets, helping you become an agile handler of data, collaborating easily with your teammate. This training covers everything from signing in and navigating the Google Sheets interface to using complex formulas and creating interactive charts. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.